MBA Crash Course: Unleashing the Power of Brand Management and Consumer Behavior. Introduction. Welcome to our MBA Crash Course on Brand Management and Consumer Behavior. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into the captivating world of brand management, explore intriguing stories and examples to spark your interest, provide an overview of the top 12 brand management techniques, and conclude with a poetic and melodious tribute to this dynamic field. Section 1. Brand Management. Brand management is the art and science of building, maintaining, and enhancing a brand's identity and reputation in the market. It encompasses strategic activities that shape consumers' perceptions, drive loyalty, and create a unique position for the brand. Let's explore some interesting stories and examples that showcase the power of brand management. Story 1. The Coca-Cola Experience. Coca-Cola, one of the world's most iconic brands, has successfully managed its brand identity for over a century. From its distinctive logo to its memorable advertising campaigns, Coca-Cola has consistently reinforced its brand promise of happiness and refreshment, creating a strong emotional connection with consumers worldwide. Example 1. Apple's brand loyalty. Apple's brand management strategy is renowned for its ability to foster unparalleled brand loyalty. By consistently delivering innovative products, creating a seamless user experience, and nurturing a strong brand community, Apple has cultivated a dedicated customer base that eagerly anticipates and advocates for its products. Section 2. Top 12 Brand Management Techniques. Brand management techniques encompass a range of strategies and activities aimed at creating and sustaining a strong brand presence. Let's explore the top 12 techniques widely employed in the field of brand management. Brand positioning. Brand positioning involves defining a unique and compelling space for the brand in the minds of consumers. It requires understanding the target market, competitors, and consumer preferences to create a differentiated brand image. Brand identity. Brand identity encompasses the visual and verbal elements that represent the brand. This includes the logo, tagline, color palette, typography, and brand voice. Consistency in brand identity strengthens brand recognition and fosters brand loyalty. Brand architecture. Brand architecture refers to the hierarchical structure and relationships between a company's brands and sub-brands. It helps organizations manage multiple brands and ensures a cohesive and meaningful brand portfolio. Brand equity. Brand equity represents the value and perception associated with a brand. It is built through positive consumer experiences, brand awareness, brand loyalty, and brand associations. Strengthening brand equity enhances a brand's competitive advantage. Brand extension. Brand extension involves leveraging a brand's equity and reputation to introduce new products or enter new markets. It capitalizes on the existing brand's familiarity and credibility to expedite consumer acceptance and drive growth. Brand communication. Brand communication encompasses all the messages and interactions that convey the brand's values, personality, and offerings to consumers. It includes advertising, public relations, social media, content marketing, and other communication channels. Brand experience. Brand experience focuses on creating meaningful and memorable interactions with the brand across various touchpoints. It involves designing exceptional customer experiences that align with the brand's values and evoke positive emotions. Brand innovation. Brand innovation involves continuously refreshing and evolving the brand to meet changing consumer needs and market dynamics. It includes product innovation, service innovation, and exploring new business models to stay relevant and competitive. Brand storytelling. Brand storytelling is the art of weaving narratives that connect with consumers on an emotional level. It involves conveying the brand's history, values, purpose, and impact through compelling stories that resonate with the target audience. Brand monitoring. Brand monitoring involves actively tracking and analyzing consumer feedback, online conversations, social media mentions, and brand sentiment. It provides valuable insights into consumer perceptions, brand reputation, and areas of improvement, allowing brand managers to make informed decisions and take proactive measures. Brand partnerships. Brand partnerships involve collaborations with complementary brands or influencers to expand reach, tap into new markets, and enhance brand credibility. Strategic partnerships can create synergies and amplify brand awareness and visibility. Brand loyalty programs. Brand loyalty programs aim to incentivize repeat purchases and foster customer loyalty. These programs often offer rewards, discounts, exclusive access, or personalized experiences to loyal customers, strengthening the bond between the brand and its consumers. Section 3. Summary. In this MBA crash course on brand management and consumer behavior, we explored the fascinating world of brand management and its impact on consumer perceptions and behavior. Through captivating stories and examples, we witnessed the power of brand identity and loyalty in the success of global brands like Coca-Cola and Apple. We discussed the top 12 brand management techniques, including brand positioning, identity, architecture, equity, extension, communication, experience, innovation, storytelling, monitoring, partnerships, and loyalty programs. These techniques provide a holistic approach to creating and nurturing strong brands that resonate with consumers and drive business growth. By mastering these techniques and adopting a strategic approach to brand management, organizations can create a unique brand identity, build customer loyalty, and forge meaningful connections with their target audience. Poem. In the realm of brands, where stories unfold, where emotions are stirred, and memories hold. Through brand management's careful art, we shape perceptions, creating a brand's heart. Stories of Coca-Cola, a symbol of delight. A timeless brand, spreading joy day and night. Apple's brand loyalty, an unwavering devotion. A community united in their unwavering emotion. Brand positioning, a niche to find. A unique space in consumers' mind. Identity crafted with colors and voice. Creating recognition, giving brands a choice. Architecture, a structure to behold. Managing brands, a portfolio so bold. Equity built on trust and esteem. A brand's value, a consumer's dream. Extension, expanding horizons wide. New markets to conquer, side by side. Communication, messages that convey the brand's essence, in every possible way. Experience, moments that touch the soul. Creating connections that make us whole. Innovation, a brand's evolving quest. Staying relevant, at its very best. Storytelling, narratives that ignite. Emotions and dreams, taking flight. Monitoring, insights that guide. Adapting to changes, with every stride. Partnerships, collaborations that unite. Expanding horizons, reaching new heights. Loyalty programs, rewards that bind. A cherished bond, forever entwined. In the realm of brands, we find our way. Navigating consumer behavior, day by day. With brand management's power in our hand. Creating brands that will forever stand. Song. Verse 1. In a world of brands, where stories are told. Where passions ignite, and dreams unfold. From Coca-Cola's joy to Apple's embrace. Brand management's magic, leaving its trace. Chorus. Positioning, identity, architecture so grand. Equity, extension, communications command. Experience, innovation, stories that inspire. Monitoring, partnerships, loyalty sets on fire. Verse 2. Brand identity, colors and voice. Recognition and trust, the audience's choice. Brand architecture, a portfolio's design. Guiding brands' paths, intertwining. Chorus. Positioning, identity, architecture so grand. Equity, extension, communications command. Experience, innovation, stories that inspire. Monitoring, partnerships, loyalty sets on fire. Bridge. In the realm of brands, emotions take flight. Crafting experiences, igniting delight. From storytelling's art to monitoring's gaze. Brand management's. Verse 3. Through the waves of change, brands stay true. Innovating, evolving, breaking through. Partnerships forged, expanding the reach. Loyalty programs, connections that teach. Chorus. Positioning, identity, architecture so grand. Equity, extension, communications command. Experience, innovation, stories that inspire. Monitoring, partnerships, loyalty sets on fire. Outro. In the realm of brands, we find our way. Harnessing the power of each passing day. Brand Management Symphony, a melody so strong. Uniting brands and consumers, forever lifelong. With this MBA crash course on brand management and consumer behavior, you've gained insights into the art and science of brand management, explored captivating stories and examples, and discovered the top 12 brand management techniques. By applying these strategies, you can build and nurture strong brands that resonate with consumers, foster loyalty, and drive business success. So go forth, embrace the world of brands, and make your mark in the ever-evolving marketplace. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 equals 79893335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.